Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Today is Food Pantry Day, and are the food pantries running out and starting to be skimpy? Come with me next and see.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey nieces and nephews, it is Food Pantry Day. Now,
Even though they're being a little skimpy,
well,
we'll persevere. Also,
you'll see.
guess who's back?
Jerry, all right, as usual, we're gonna start from left.
To right.
Right.
All right.
All right.
What do we have?
Look what we got. We got some really good produce.
Look, this is Chris's hand, and that's the cabbage.
I know. This is a really big cabbage we
Chris's
got.
hand is like 4 inches long. Yeah. That's,
Four was a long.
okay, but still.
Look at this.
One,
got-
2, 3, 4 things of.
What kind of lettuce? Romaine.
Uh-huh.
This is going to make great salads. And lettuce wraps. Oh, yeah.
Oh, with
Check this
chicken,
out.
ranch, cheese, carrots,
We also got
watermelon,
watermelon,
and
cantaloupe,
some
some oranges. These
I
are
already
really
had
good. Oh, I know. Oh, look at this.
a whole pineapple.
Now, you know what? I might just turn this into another pineapple plant, guys. You remember my one from last year? It is still growing. And when we start the garden,
It'll
I'm
be
going to
there.
show you. Yeah, it's going to be nice.
Anywho, look what we got in the can section.
Oh, some green beans.
And some spaghetti
Yeah,
sauce.
we got 2 cans of green beans.
A la spaghetti.
I love spaghetti.
Delicioso.
Look,
Ooh!
we've got no salt added
Kernel
corn.
corn.
This is so good. I keep telling you, the pantries are the place to go to get salt-free items, okay?
Because no one wants it, so it's free for the taking.
Yeah, I tell you.
It's a bad decision, but people are people.
Look at this.
Diced tomatoes, perfect for.
Spaghetti.
And monster chili.
Oh, we could do lasagna.
Oh, so
And look
many
at this.
dishes.
No salt added, you all.
Da, da, da.
Now, guess what? I've got some.
Fruit mix, which I'll be taking. Thank you very
Well,
much.
wait. What are we going to make with that?
Ooh, let's see. Pies.
Yes, the Jell-O pies.
Oh, nom, nom, nom. But first,
look.
I'm taking it. You can have the other one.
Oh. We've got some mixed fruit. No, should be mixed vegetables.
Mixed vegetables.
I tell you. What
Low
else?
sodium.
That's right. Guys, if you cook low sodium, you're going to be much healthier, okay?
Trust me.
Now, this is just regular chicken soup. But
It's
I can,
the condensed version.
Yeah, I can use this for sauces. I just will not add any salt because this already has plenty of salt.
Also,
in
we
it.
have a couple exciting things.
Well, we've got
At this.
some more ground pork. Pork in a can, once
This
again.
stuff is $6 to $10 a can. This is gold.
Well, right
Liquid
now,
gold.
this is the only meat we got. And hold on. Let me show what else we got. Hold the camera there.
Also, we got some beans. I'm assuming this is around 3 to 4 pounds. Let's see. Ooh, 3 pounds. La da da. Da-da-da.
Liquid gold.
Literally
Yeah.
a dozen eggs.
And look, funny thing, when you get them from the food pantry, none of them are cracked. How about that? Now,
Also, we didn't get 1, but 2 things of pinto beans.
pinto beans.
Take a look.
Yeah. Now, let's go over here.
Ta-da.
I've got some veggie chips, which I'm really excited about.
Mine.
Yeah.
Also, the big thing, marshmallow bites.
Has anyone ever seen these? I've never seen these before. Never seen them before.
By the way, not sponsored.
Yeah. Oh, this is cute. Now, I don't know how much salt is in here. I may or may not use it.
Let's see. Per a quarter of a cup, there is 460 milligrams.
No, I will not be using this.
That is too much.
We've got some oats.
Now these are good and very high in fiber.
Now, we've got some elbow macaroni. We also got some more shells in here. Now, I'm just going to use the pasta. I'm not going to use...
The sauce.
No, because it's too salty.
Let's see. Just to show you. Let's see.
Oh, right down here.
Per 2 ounces and half a cup. Let's see. What is
Oh,
that?
wow. 550 milligrams of sodium.
And that's just the mix. Prepared, it is 670.
Oh, my.
Oh, no.
No.
But this is good stuff.
Yeah.
What is it, Chris?
White enriched long grain rice.
Also, comment down below which one's healthier, white grain or brown.
I think it's the brown. I'm thinking.
They were supposed to comment. Anyways.
Now, look. We got some corn muffin mix, which is really good. And once again, we got 4 packs of the macaroni and cheese.
And again, we will not be using the salt.
No, we will not.
Because that's all it is salt. Am I right, Chris?
That's right. Oh, yeah. And we got some regular spaghetti, too.
Also. Cornflakes!
I know your favorite.
But seriously, though, look at all the spaghetti. This is like a pound. Yes,
Yeah.
look, it's a pound.
Now look at
Anyways, this is what I've been meaning to tell you guys about. Look at all this bread.
Everything bagels. Everything bagels.
And then 4 baguettes, even though 2 of them are messed up, but 4 total baguettes.
Now, I'm going to tell you something.
Just take, homegrown cherries. Take a look.
Now, if your bread breaks like this, don't worry about it.
Use it in
Chop
stuffing.
it up. No. Yes, use it in stuffing, but
What
you
else?
can chop it up and make it into garlic bread, just like they have in the restaurants.
That's all they do.
Yeah. Now, let's get a pan of what we got over there.
La bread, mac and cheese, cornflakes, snacks, canned goods, pinto beans, and fresh produce, and of course, the eggs.
Now, I've got a challenge. I've got to figure out how I'm going to take this can of pork, since we didn't get any fresh meat this week, and make a meal out of it. I'm not quite
Comment down below.
sure.
Tell us 3, 5, 10 billion recipes.
Wait, I think I have one.
Ooh, what is it?
Oh, I'm not going to tell you just yet.
That's the mystery of Uncle Chris.
Well, yeah. Like, comment,
And
Subscribe.
smash that subscribe button, whether it's with your eggs, your oranges, or even your pinto beans. But smash that subscribe button.
Now, also, look for my collaboration with City Girl through the years at City Girl Homestead. Okay?
That is a fun one. Trust me.
Oh,
You guys
that's
do
cool.
not want to miss it.
No. Also, we want you to come on, tell people about us. We need at least 5,000 subscribers. So,
Once we have 5,000 or 5K, whatever it is, we
Yes.
will host a big party. But
Yes.
please.
And the giveaways, the Uncle Chris aprons and the Uncle Chris spice.
Also,
So-
we'll be having a special video.
Yes. Yes, you will. All right. Write me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef @gmail.com. Okay? All right. Nieces and nephews, stay tuned to see what I make out of this stuff.
Oh, Lord. This looks like a doozy. Anyways, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.